Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to Betterment for CAP 2 full guide. Start by mapping the backroom workflow and labeling zones for receiving, sorting, and staging. Train members on scanning habits and placement rules to reduce mispicks. Implement simple daily checklists and short huddles to align priorities. Track key metrics like unload time and accuracy to measure improvements, and celebrate small wins to maintain momentum and morale. In this video, I will explain how to Betterment for CAP 2 full guide. Start by creating a consistent opening routine that includes walk the floor and spot checks. Make clear assignments so every team member knows their zone and goals for the shift. Use visual cues like colored tape for staging lanes and keep commonly used equipment nearby to minimize walking time. Review the plan at shift end and note one improvement for tomorrow. If you are finding this helpful, please subscribe and like so we can make more useful guides. Quick recommendation: go darn tough for socks that survive long shifts and come with a lifetime warranty, perfect for standing and lifting all day. I love their fit and durability, and they pair with steel toes fine. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will explain how to Betterment for CAP 2 full guide. Focus on reliable equipment and clear safety rules to keep pace high and incidents low. Schedule charging stations and tool checks so devices never hold up a shift. Coach team members on safe lifts and proper PPE use while rewarding safe behavior. Small upgrades like better lighting and anti-fatigue mats improve speed and reduce errors across the backroom.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.